big day. This is it, right? This is pretty dang exciting.
From Pfizer's manufacturing plant in Kalamazoo, Michigan, to the Gerald R. Ford Airport in Grand Rapids, 2.9 million doses of the first COVID-19 vaccine are in transit to FedEx and UPS distribution hubs, where they will then be shipped to more than 600 locations across the country.
We'll be getting CVS and Walgreens vaccinating our nursing home people. Almost 100% of our nursing homes have signed up with that program for a turnkey vaccination operation.
Officials hope to vaccinate the nation's 3 million long-term care residents by month's end. 21 million frontline care workers are also first in line. According to the Associated Press, some senior government officials who work closely with President Trump reportedly will be offered vaccines as soon as this week, the move to prevent further spread in the White House.
So we need to have immunized about 75 or 80% of the U.S. population before herd immunity can really be established. We hope to reach that point between the month of May and the month of June.
The goal is to reach 20 million vaccinations this month, 50 million by the end of January, and 100 million by the end of February. But recent polls show not everyone is on board yet. About half of Americans say they would take a vaccine as soon as possible, with 25% unsure and the remaining quarter saying no way. Health officials admit they have a lot of work to do to convince the public the vaccine is safe and effective.
I think all reasonable people, if they had the chance to sort of put the noise aside and disregard all those terrible conspiracy theories, would look at this and say, I want this for my family, I want it for myself. People are dying right now. How could you possibly say, let's wait and see?
The FDA commissioner was asked about the allergic reactions reported from 2 patients in the UK who received the vaccine. Dr. Hahn says right now the FDA in the United States is recommending anyone who has a severe allergy to any ingredients in this vaccine to hold off, but that distribution sites are being told to have EpiPens on hand just in case something like this happens. Now, Moderna's vaccine is being reviewed by the FDA for emergency use this week, and we're told potential shipments of that vaccine could roll out the week of Christmas.